Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this bag. The bag is made in one piece. I am using a worsted yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook. If you prefer the written PDF version, visit my Etsy shop, link in the description box. Okay, let's start. So we will start with a magic circle. If you don't like start with magic circle, you can start with chain 4, then slip stitch to the first chain and then chain 1. But we will start with magic circle. So create it, insert your hook under first yarn, grab the other one and just turn the hook like this. Secure with your finger, chain 1. And you can start round number 1. Make 8 half double crochet inside the circle. So 8 half double crochet inside the circle. So this is your first half double crochet. This is your second half double crochet. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. I will close a bit to make it easier to work with. So 7 and 8. And close the circle. So this is your first round number 1. We will start round number 2. Make 2 half double crochet into each stitch. So do not slip stitch, do not chain 1. Make directly 2 half double crochet into each stitch. So here is my first stitch. Here I will make 2 half double crochet under it. You should also place the marker onto first or last stitch mate. I prefer to put my marker onto the first stitch mate, and you should replace this marker every round, after every round mate. So this is my first half double crochet and second half double crochet into the same stitch. So I have 2 half double crochet into each stitch and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So in round 2 you should have 16 stitches all together. 16 stitches all together in round number 2. I will see you at the end of this round. And round number 3, take off the marker and we will make one half double crochet into the next stitch. So 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and then replace marker. And then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So repeat that sequence all around. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Work the sequence all around. I will see you at begin of round number 4. You should have 24 stitches all together in this round. Round number 4, we will work in the sequence. 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, replace the marker. 1 half double crochet into the second stitch, and then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So work this sequence all around. You should have 32 stitches all together in round number 4. I will see you at the beginning of round number 5. Round number 5, make 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, replace the marker, and so make 1 half double crochet into the first 3 stitches. This is second, third one, and then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, repeat all around. You should have 40 stitches altogether in this round. Round number 6, make 1 half double crochet into the next 4 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. You should have 48 stitches altogether in round number 6. Round 7, make 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So replace marker. So 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches, then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. You should have 56 stitches altogether in round number 7. I will see you at the round number 8. Round number 8, make 1 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. You should have 64 stitches altogether in this round. Round 9, make 1 half double crochet into the next 7 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So you should have 72 stitches altogether in round number 9. Round number 10, make 1 half double crochet into the next 8 stitches and then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So you should have 80 stitches altogether in round number 10. So round number 10, 80 stitches. Round 11, make 1 half double crochet into the next 9 stitches, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So 1 half double crochet into the next 9 stitches, 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. You should have 88 stitches altogether in this round. In round 12, make 1 half double crochet into the next 10 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. You should have 96 stitches altogether in round number 12. And round number 13, make 1 half double crochet into the next 11 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. You should have 104 stitches altogether in this round. and 2 half double crochet into the last stitch. I have finished my circle. It has a width of 9 inches. While crocheting the sides, the back will widen by about 3-4 inches. If you want a larger back, you can add more rounds. Just remember you will need more yarn. We will crochet upwards. Remember to keep the right side facing out. The right side is the one without the tail. You can crochet on the wrong side, but remember, before adding your handles, turn the back inside out. For the next 22 rounds, you can work without the stitch marker. From now, we will work in back loops only. So these are your front loops and these are your back loops, and we will work in the back loops. You will insert your hook here under that loop. And now for next 22 rounds, so from round number 14 to round number 36, we will make 1 half double crochet into each stitch in back loop only. So 1 half double crochet into each stitch in back loops only. Remember, this is my wrong side, this is my right side, and I'm working with right side facing me. So 1 half double crochet into each stitch for next 22 rounds. 1 half double crochet into each stitch in back loops only. I will see you when I finish my 22 rounds. Once we have finished our 22 rounds, we will now start to make some decrease. So make 3 decrease. And how to make decrease? Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now insert your hook, do not yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Now yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops like that. So this is your first decrease. Now make second decrease. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And last decrease. Remember, you are working in back loops only. Still, we are working in the back loops only. So do not forget about it. So this is your last decrease, and now make 1 half double crochet into the next 46 stitches. I will see you when I finish my 46 stitches. Once I finish my 46 stitches, I will make 3 decrease again. So this is your first decrease, second decrease, and third decrease. And now make 1 half double crochet into the next 46 stitches again. So you should have 98 stitches altogether in round number 37. Because you have 3 decrease, 46 stitches, 3 decrease, 46 stitches. It makes 98 stitches. Round 38, replace marker and start with 3 decreases. So this is your first decrease. Replace the marker. Second decrease. and third decrease, and now make 1/2 double crochet into the next 43 stitches. So 1/2 double crochet into the next 43 stitches. I will see you when I finish my 43 stitches. Make 3 decreases again. So this is your first decrease, second decrease, and third decrease. And now make 1/2 double crochet into the last 43 stitches. And now for the next round, make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. So 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch for next 2 rounds. Round number 39 and 40. You should have 92 stitches. And now we will start to work single crochet under both loops. So not under back loop, but under both loops. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch under both loops for next 4 rounds. 1 single crochet into each stitch for next 4 rounds. I will see you when I finish my 4 rounds. So when you finish your 4 rounds, cut the yarn and secure, and then we will start to make handles. So make a knot and chain 100. And once you make your 100 chains, make 1/2 double crochet into each stitch start in the second chain from the hook. So 1/2 double crochet into each chain. You should have 99 stitches altogether. If you want a longer handle, you can make a longer chain. If you want a shorter, you can make shorter chain. It's up to you. When finish your row, cut the yarn and secure. And now I'm gonna show you how to attach the handle to the back. Count 10 stitches from each edge. So this is your first 10 stitches, and mark with stitch marker. And now calculate 10 stitches from the other edge and insert your hook into the 4th round, counting from the up. Now take your handle and try to pull it through the stitch. Like that. And now make a knot at the one end of this handle. So make a knot. And the other side, again, insert your hook under the stitch marker in the 4th round. Pull the second edge, second ending of the cord, and make a knot. And this is how your handle looks. Now make a second one. And once your second handle is done, you can sew in all your tails, and that's basically it. Yep, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.